So you decided to, hey, look at the camera. Say hi. Yes, you do. Okay, out here. Out here. Come on. Out here. Out here. Come on, out we go. Okay. Hi. Good morning. Well, it may not be morning for you, but it is for me, and it's another day, and I have no more days left. 0 days to a new shoulder. Tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a quick video as I enter the hospital, and maybe I'll be able to post it before I'm not going to be able to post things for a week or so. But today I may get a little walk in. I think we should get some exercise in this afternoon, at least a half hour or something like that. So I'm going to try to do that. Miss Sky is here. I may go back into town today. I have a package that I got. I got a kennel for her, a large dog kennel. She keeps me up at night, and if she's going to stay up here, and while we're having a full moon, she needs to be in a confined area, either in my little home there or in a cage, because once this moon comes out and the coyotes start talking, she's got to start talking, and that goes on all night. And I can't get her in, and it's a problem. So rather than be complaining about it, the solution is to put her in a little place with a nice doggy bed, nice canopy, nice warm place for her to be in, safe at nighttime, instead of her running out there chasing coyotes in the middle of the night. So there you go. I'm being positive, but I'm also trying to find a solution to that problem. So that's what it's going to be. And if I have to go to town tonight to get it, I'm going to do that, because I'm going to need it if she's going to be up here while I'm in rehabbing the shoulder. So going to town again today was not in the plan, and I'm rambling. I have laundry to do. My instructions say to make sure I have a clean set of sheets on. So I've got my sheets in hot water. I've got some more cleaning my clutter in there. I have this rule: if I don't use it within a year, I should get rid of it. I have a lot of stuff I got to get rid of. So that's going to take the majority of the day. I got to put away all the food that I bought. I put the frozen stuff away, but I also cooked some stuff. And I got to finish cooking and stowing all of that. So I don't know how much I'm going to put in the video except for this for today's content. And I'm sure there's going to be something else. So anyway, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. This is sort of a standard on Mondays and Tuesdays on an organic farm. You gotta get out there and make sure you knock this stuff down and it composts back into the ground. But I get to hear this sound for quite a while. Oh, they love this one little part of the canyon. I can actually stand right here on a lightly breezy day. Have to make sure my starter, Miss Laluz, which was born on 12/21/21, gets fed, because I'm not going to be able to feed her for at least a week. But she'll be okay in the refrigerator if I give her some food. So she'll get a tablespoon of some flour, and she's going to get just a little bit of water. She was a little dry to begin with. Then I have a mixing spoon, which it's not a spoon, it's a stick. And I just simply start taking her food and letting her take it into the side. And I really don't have to work it too much, but I will work this for maybe about a minute and get it all nice and happy in there, and then it will go back into the refrigerator, and my starter will be still good for me when I'm ready to make bread again. Crazy weather today. This crazy wind keeps coming up there and blowing like crazy, and then it goes away. really crazy. This guy got a good brushing, so we got some of that undercoat out. Hair everywhere. That dog has a lot of hair. And she has got one healthy coat, that's for sure. Probably from eating all of these avocados. And I've stepped on a few of those and a few other things that I didn't normally used to have around here because of her being a dog, I guess. And I haven't had a dog around here for a while, except for recently with her. And I think that's going to be about it as far as what I can do today. I do need to do a little bit more watering, and I don't know what else I can put in this video today outside of this being the last day that I'm going to be walking around here doing anything constructive for a month or so. So with that, I have my admission to the hospital tomorrow morning, and the crazy wind's coming back up again. And how long does it take to clean 50 square feet? It took me quite a while because I have a whole giant house full of stuff in a little tiny space. So that took me a little while, and that's about it. So if you are interested to know how this comes out, stay tuned. In a week I should have another video posted about how it all came out. Maybe even sooner, I don't know, we'll see. Thanks for watching. This out. Oh, a little purple Cherokee. I'm gonna have this with my salad tonight. This is pretty. It's a little offbeat, but that's what tomatoes out here do, especially purple Cherokee that are volunteer. This guy has a nice ripe avocado. I could steal that from her, but no, it's been on the ground. And I guess here comes the wind again.